Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to easily split text into two columns in Microsoft Word. We will cover two quick methods so you can choose the one that works best for your document. To begin, highlight the text you want to format. Navigate to the Layout tab at the top of your screen. Click on Columns and from the drop-down menu, select 2. Your text will instantly reformat into a two-column layout. To adjust the gap between these columns, keep the text selected, click Columns again, and choose More Columns. Here, you can reduce or increase the spacing value to fit your needs, then click OK. Another excellent way to control your layout is by using a borderless table. Go to the Insert tab, click Table, and create a 2x1 table. Paste your first block of text into the left cell and your second block into the right cell. Highlight the entire table, right-click, and select Table Properties. Go to Borders and Shading, select None, and apply the changes. This gives you perfectly aligned columns with absolute control over where the text breaks. Both methods are simple, professional, and take just seconds to set up. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and we will see you in the next video.